Welcome to TicketZero, your automation partner. In this video, we will see a use case scenario of streamlining your ads and leads. Most real estate leads today come from digital platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Google searches. The problem is not getting inquiries. The problem is capturing them in a structured way so they can be followed up properly. In this video, I'll show you how to create a property inquiry form that works well across digital platforms. Today, we'll focus on building the form. In the next video, we'll automate what happens after the inquiry comes in. Okay, I'm going to name this as Housing Hub, and I'm going to create the form. We would need the name of the customer, and we would need the phone number of the customer to follow up. And we would also need a property ID because we would want to know which property that the customer is referring to. The source could be from YouTube or Instagram ad or from any other source. Having a property ID will simplify things for us. So here's a property field, and I am going to mandate this field because we would need the property ID, without which we would not be able to determine which property the customer is referring to. Now we have all this, three fields now. I'm going to add the email field a little later, right at the top of phone. And this field is about property qualification, getting to know the budget of the customer. I will probably choose a range between 35 to 1.5 CR, or maybe a little more than that. So let us have less than 50 lakhs, 50 to 75, and 75 to 1 CR, and then maybe 1 CR to 1.5 and 1.5 CR plus. So this will help us determine the range of the property the customer is looking at. I would want to mandate this field, and I'm going to click save, right? Now that we have the name, phone number, property ID, and the budget range, the next one that we would want is a purchase timeline, right? We would want to know when the customer would like to buy. It could be 0 to 1 month. Maybe they want to buy right away, or maybe they're planning to buy it in the next 1 to 3 months, or 3 to 6 months. Or they just window shopping, and we'll include this just exploring option here, so that we don't waste our time too. This is the most important part. We don't want to call the customer when they are at work, or when they are busy, or when they are on a vacation. So I would want to understand their preference. So I'm going to add date and time field here, so that we would get to know what time the customer prefers to be called. And the sales team should be calling the customer at the same time, because that's their preferred time, right? So the conversion happens when you call them at their preferred time, and not whenever you are available, right? So this is one of the mandatory fields, and I really want this to be there, because we don't want to call the customer when they're busy, right? If you're a builder, or from the sales team of a builder looking to organize leads from YouTube, Instagram, Google Ads, you can reach out using the contact details below.